pictures, and I was giving you good lighting.
Oh no, you're kind of fucking up the picture because of that light.
Oh, I apologize. I don't mean to do that. I'm trying to give it, you know, some better
You
lighting,
stay on
you
the
know.
side there. Nope.
Yeah, yeah.
I don't want to see
Make
your
sure
ugly hat.
make sure you get some good lighting there. I'm just trying to make your
There.
picture better, mate.
Oh, free the homie. Dead homie.
Hey, Pudge, I'm gonna place them in your vehicle.
Simple. You
What
being
the?
detained for disorderly conduct?
What?
Yeah,
That's
mate.
crazy.
And interviewing between an investigation.
That's crazy.
Please remain on your premises for the
Aye.
duration of our
I'm
investigation.
seeing a lot of old cases here. I mean, I collected the new
Yeah, I
one.
picked it all up. I got it.
Oh, you got all the casings?
Yeah, I got as many as I can carry. I can only carry 3. I got the old blood and the casings.
Collected the last new casing, so.
169 1019 in transport. Currently, you're wanted for attempted murder on a law enforcement officer.
What?
Try to run over a law enforcement officer? Here, I'll look
That
at
was
the
an
incident further.
accident.
Oh, that was an accident. Yeah, after they tried to catch you of a felony evasion and you ran them over in the process of
Yeah,
trying to
that was
catch
an
you of an
accident.
evasion. Right.
Niggas got in my way.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you do or say can be held against you in the court of law. You have the right to attorney. If you do not have the funds to afford one, you can be appointed one by the state. Being at this time, the state does not have an attorney on file. If you have an attorney on call, you can call one up here and they can fight your charges right here in the police department. If not, then your processes of charges will be charged over to the file of the department, and then you can come back later and sue for whatever damages or whatever it is that you believe that you are owed. With that being said, why did you run over the officers after you saw
Bro,
the
I
car?
didn't mean to, bro. Them niggas got in my way.
Alright. Why did you steal the vehicle and try to run from us?
That's fucked up. I'm not
In the
getting
process
arrested.
of the wanted case? With that
I'm not getting
case,
arrested.
that's going to be, you're going to be 2, actually that's times 2 because you actually try to run over, but we'll just do the times 1. So that's 25 for that one, plus an 8,000 fine. And then for this one, shots on an officer. I'm not even going to do the attempted. I'm just going to do the residential shots in a residential area. Do you have a weapons license?
Yes.
You do. All right. We're going to be revoking that. But being as you had one at the time, I'm not going to do the shots and the charges in the residential area. I'm just going to do the one times who attempted on Leo. And then I'm going to hold the one accountable on this case running concurrent, which means they'll run together. So we'll do the 8,000 and then plus on the concurrent fine for the shots in the residential, like I said, waive that. And then on the charges for all that together will be 9,500, and then your actual time, we waive the fine or the time on the residential shooting, and we're just going to hold the time for the actual shooting on a law or the attempted murder on the law enforcement and the shooting on the law enforcement. So it's going to be a total of 30 months.
These new
altogether.
charges are unlawful use of a firearm, brandishing a class 1 firearm, and discharging a firearm in the city limits.
Alright, so how much altogether is that running? Like I said, we'll run all this concurrent so it all run together so I can actually. I don't want
I'm
to
gonna say
run
I'm gonna
each
say
case
30
separate.
for each month.
30?
Yeah, 30 altogether, so 10 months each charge.
10, 10, and then the other one's going to be the 25, so we'll do the. I'll give you a little bit of a break. Be 45 months. It still sounds a little steep. Oh, fucking eh. We'll just do 30 months right there.
I mean, it's
We'll
better
give
than
you a
what the
solid.
penal code is actually telling us to give them, because
Yeah,
it's telling us to give them 250 each.
Yeah, I know, that's what I'm saying. That sounds fucking steep. I'm giving you a 40. We'll just do the regular 40, put the 2 cases, running concurrent, and then we'll do the 9,500 for the fine. Step back a little bit, Johnson, so I don't want to accidentally bill you.